Hello hatchlings and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Now we have unlocked challenge mode, which I will do challenge mode on hard. But we're also going to look for the other bolts and everything that I haven't collected or that I possibly haven't shown you. I'll add in stuff because there is one particular one where it didn't really record, so I will let you know where that one is. These are all of the cards that I have so far. Still got a ways to go for the cards. I was wondering if I should do the thing that I do when I open up the Ratchet and Clank things, but I think it's only fair that I do it, honestly. You know what I mean? It's still a Ratchet and Clank episode, even if it's me just collecting some bolts and some Rotanium there. So let's do it. I see a future. What do I see? Robots going crazy across the galaxy. Can stand organics, so soft and squishy. The time is now. We robots must be free. Do you want to be free? Then shout with me, yeah. This goes out to all you robots across the galaxy. It's time for you and me to rise up and strike back. Won't stop until we dominate. Won't you great till we exterminate all organic life. That was well, I found a card. That was awful, honestly. My voice cracked a little bit there in a little bit of it. That was awful. My nose is kind of cloggy, so it doesn't really help. So I apologize, it sounds like really bad. That was bad. That was bad for me. Oh, jeez. Oh well, I did it. And I got to show you a secret card, and how to get into that area. It fell off. Whoops. So you kind of need the hover pack. Not the other one, because the other one doesn't get high enough. The jetpack thingy doesn't get high enough to reach certain places. I like how they sneakily put some arrows on that crate to let you know that you can go up it. Very, very sneaky. Very sneaky indeed. I think I've already shown you this area, but I didn't show you going into the other area, because I am going through a lot of this again. There is stuff that has like respawned and everything, but this is where the hidden bolt was, I believe. Let's collect all of the bolts. Well, I got one of the cards that I don't believe that I got the first time. I can just find them now because of the little map thing that I got, so that's all I gotta do is just go around and collect all of the stuff that I didn't collect before, really. I feel like I'm doing this whole entire train segment again because I'm doing this on challenge mode. Oh dear. Oh no. Now you know where they are in Metropolis, at least. I am hoping. Some more cards to show you. I'm very close to getting them all. Very, very close. Okay. What happened in this particular place where you save Skidman Marks and his manager? There is a Magna Boot section where you save Skid's manager, and you use that to climb up there, and then there is a jetpack section, so you need both the Magna Boots and the jetpack thing to turn the knob, and then it opens up a kind of a swing section for you to get onto the island that it looks like it's out of reach. You can't really climb to it otherwise. So, in this particular section right here, you'd go this way, and you'd kind of climb up here and save Skid's manager would already be saved because you've already got the magna boots and the jetpack and everything. And then you'd be able to go over to the secret island, and in one of the trucks is a gold bolt. So unfortunately I kind of lost that particular part, and this is the footage from like replaying everything that I kept. So yeah. This is the best that I could get to kind of show you the area where you need to go to, and then see, just right at the back there's a Magna Boots section. Go up that with the Magna Boots, and then you need the jetpack as well. But this is the best I could do. I apologize, I'm sorry I lost the footage. I think I just didn't review it correctly and ended up accidentally deleting it. Or, I do apologize for that. Now I can't show you me getting it, but I've got it, and I'll show you like a picture of the map and stuff to show you that there is nothing left on this island as well. Alright, and as you can see on the map, I got all the gold bolts, I got all the cards, I got all the secrets. At least that way you kind of believe me. This is my arsenal and how it's looking in terms of upgrades now. So I'm almost fully upgraded with that, and once again all my cards, just kind of showing you that I still don't quite have them all. I believe I have one more Rhino card to collect, and we have all the main cards, we just have one more Rhino card to collect to get the Rhino card. So when you play in challenge mode, once you fully upgraded your weapons, you like purchase them again, upgrade them, and then like fully upgrade them. So it's gonna take me a little while to do that, I think. Alright, so I realized the last remaining Rhino card is probably here, because I didn't check all of it properly. And on the map it tells me it's right behind this sneaky section, behind here. I'm trying to see if it's like up here or anything. No, it's on a ledge down at the bottom. That's so sneaky. That is so sneaky. Well, I have all of the Rhino cards now. Oh my goodness, yeah, there we go, Rhino card acquired. There we go. See, look at all my pretty Rhino cards. They're all there. Buying some more weapons to show you what the kind of bigger, fully upgraded weapons look like, and slowly getting there with the upgrades, I must admit. Like, Raritanium, when you kill like a bunch of enemies, comes in abundance. It's not exactly that rare. The sheer fact that you need so much of it is probably the part that takes a little while to get everywhere that you need to with everything, I think. I've come here because there are some sneaky bolts that I haven't collected, and I also need to go and talk to the guy who sells the Rhino, because I would like to acquire the Rhino, please, Mister. I found there is Raritanium down there in the water. There we go. See, there's certain stuff that you just kind of miss unless you have the map to actually see it, which is interesting. Okay, so I think I will go... I think I will go to possibly the flooded area. Yeah. Go to the flooded area first, because when I reach the top, I should make it to the Rhino guy. Don't know his actual name, just know him as the Rhino guy. Okay! I'm just gonna swim all the way down here. Okay, it's a good thing I have the breathing thing, the O2 mask. There we go. It's a good thing I have that, because this whole place is flooded. My goodness. This is what happens when you go through this whole place. Oh my goodness me. There's like nowhere up here. It's just completely filled with water. This is amazing. Just the fact of the sheer volume and height is just wonderful. I'm like glitching out so hard to try and swim down. Can you? Okay, there we go. Okay, what is happening? I just looked in the outside of the world for a second. Glitched much? Okay then. Yeah, let me look at the outside world for like 5 seconds. I think it down here. Ooh, sneaky, sneaky. I see you. I know where the secrets are. You have to look so hard for everything. This is amazing. Ooh, what are you? Ooh, go boat. I got you. I got you. And more boxes. This is a bit. I'm sorry. You gotta destroy the boxes, honestly. Oh, now I can head to the rhino guy, honestly. I've got my gold bolt. I smashed some more boxes. I think we need to go talk to him. Because I really want that rhino. Mr. Rhino guy. Mr. Rhino guy, I know you're around the corner once I like go through here. I need your rhino. Give me the rhino gun. Here we go. Come on, come on. Yes.
Got all the holo cards. Good job, sport. The rhino's yours. Hang on while I grab my toolkit. Now I just have to attach the induction rod, refocus the emitters, and blammo! One new rhino. Now don't go telling anyone you have this. Happy hunting.
Yes, I have the rhino. Hell yes. Okay, so I still have no idea how to get that gold bolt, but replaying through, I'm trying to think of all the possible ways that I could blow up the grate and then try to get to it. Like, I've tried to blow up the grate, but I'm trying to think if I throw it up at the high place here, maybe. So if I maybe get like another one of the bouncy ones here, and throw. Yes! Oh my gosh! That actually worked. That actually worked, because that whole entire thing has been bugging me because I had no idea how to get to it, and I didn't want to look at walkthroughs because I didn't want to be that person. Oh, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Oh, I've been trying literally for so long. Me being excited for this is okay, now I know one of them doesn't bounce me up high enough, so what if I put one on top of the other? Ooh, it bounces it up really super high. Ooh, very curious. Okay, so I need to kind of throw it under me when I'm jumping, because otherwise I won't get the height, so I'm gonna somehow throw it under me. Oh. And like I've tried jumping and stuff to get the height and everything, but it's not working. So I'm trying this really silly method to see if it works, because it is very glitchy. I'm stuck in the wall. It's very glitchy. Like it takes a while to get high enough, which is the annoying part. Come on. Gotta like find a way to bounce on it when it's like jumping up higher than normal. Come on. Come on. I know I can do this. Come on. Oh my god, it worked! It worked! Oh my gosh, I've been trying to get this bolt forever. Okay, now there is a gold bolt in this room. So, I need to find that once I get rid of these guys. Can you stop shooting at me? That would be wonderful. Alright, where is it? Where are you, my gold friend? So it was saying something about it being on like above here. So when I jumped up here, I was doing, oh my word. Why did I not see the platform the first time I jumped up here? I I am so silly. How did I not see that? Okay, never mind. I got the gold bolt anyway. I got it anyway. I got the bolt anyway. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I finally got some more weapons. Here we go. Slowly upgrading everything. Slowly, very slowly. And there's another gold bolt here. I missed two. Here, the ladder was to show me I can get up there now. Ah! Alright, let's go up here. Oh my word. Why? Just why? Why? Because I feel like the first time I played it, that thing didn't come down, and I was trying to jump up to it and I thought it was glitched. But I have the bolt now. I have it, it's worked now, we're fine. Okay. Now I've done everything. I have all the gold bolts. I have the rhino. I have all of the cards. I've done everything. It is time to defeat Dr. Nefarious. I'm hoping I can get through Dr. Nefarious a lot quicker this time. Like, I know it's on challenge mode and on hard difficulty, but I honestly want to see what happens. Like, if it'll go faster just for the fact that I have the rhino. I'm also curious if I get a special perk for defeating him on challenge mode hard, like if I get anything special or anything like that. I don't know, but we'll find out. Hello, Dr. Nefarious. I know it's been you controlling everything the whole time, now I just gotta destroy you. Don't think I really need to let you see the cutscene again. Alright. Well then, let's defeat him. Stop him from going into the thing. Did I seriously just fall off of everything? I'm not even mad. Not even mad. That was just so weird. Alright, come here you. I've got some special ammo to destroy you with. You know what, let's use the rhino. Who cares? Let's use the rhino. Oh my lord! The damage! The damage it's taking! Ooh! I just should have used the rhino in the first place! My word! Alright. Just, like, attack him like crazy with the rhino. Oh, everything's going crazy. Oh, definitely use the rhino. Definitely use the rhino. What? Oh my goodness. Definitely use the rhino. Jeez. The amount of damage it does is crazy. What? I'm on the hardest difficulty. There's no way. No way. You're gonna die soon, man. You are gonna die soon. And you're gone. Okay. Well, that was me collecting all of the bolts. Me collecting all of the rhino cards to get the rhino, which is honestly an amazing weapon. Oh my goodness, like, it's so crazy. It has so much health. The sheer fact it's on challenge mode and hard mode means rhino is beast. Beast. And I didn't use any of the special perks from the gold bolts because I know that you get special perks when you get all of the gold bolts. You can basically make yourself invincible. I didn't put any of those on. I just wanted to play it as intended without the kind of perks of the gold bolts and just have the perk of the rhino. My lord. In like a few minutes flat, he was gone. Like a few minutes. That was honestly both amazing and crazy at the same time. That was so much fun. Oh, I don't know, there's a type of satisfaction you get when you complete everything just 100%. I don't know what it is, but there's just something about completing it, getting everything out of it, just is satisfying, honestly. Let's see if we got anything special at the end. We did not. Alright then, well, that was the end of the episode. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, well over to like button, sub to subscribe to become a hatchling, and I will see you all in a wingspan.